Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to solve the standardized test prep questions. This standardized test prep question is not included with the is not copied out with the book of English version, but it's in the Kurdish version. So it's important for the purpose of examinations in Ministry of Exams. Let us begin with the first one. Stated that acetic acid is a weak electrolyte. So why it's a weak electrolyte? The property of weak electrolytes because they form ions but slightly ionized or dissociated. So partially ionized or partially dissociated. So the first one is miscible with water. It's not. Forms hydronium and hydroxide. It will form hydronium but does not form hydroxide. Lowers the freezing point of water. It will lower the freezing point of water, but it's not related to the strength of the electrolyte. Ionize only slightly aqueous solution is the correct answer because we mean the partially ionized and it becomes a weak electrolyte. The second one, which of the following solutions would contain the highest concentration of hydronium? So highest concentration of hydronium must be first the strong acids. So the weak acids must be cancelled out, and the salt as well cancelled out. The first one, which is strong acid, contains the highest concentration of acid or hydronium, we mean. Which of the following is the best representation of the precipitation reaction that occurs when aqueous solution of sodium carbonate and calcium chloride are mixed? So it requires the net ionic equation. Why? Because it's written a precipitation reaction. So whenever it requires the precipitation reaction, it means the net ionic equation. So calcium carbonate is one of the salt in the product and it's insoluble. So C is the correct answer for this question. Question number 4, which of the following is not a colligative property? This was one of the questions in the quiz which we have done. Of course, molality is not a colligative property. Question number 5, it stated that we have two solutions, solution A with the solution B here. Solution A contains 0.1 molar of sugar, so these are the keywords. Solution dissolves in 500 grams of water. Solution B contains 0. The same mole, but it is the different solute, which is an electrolyte. So with the same solvent, which of the following statement about this solution is true? So guys, solution A is sugar and solution B is NaCl. The concentrations are equal, the solvent is equal. So the only difference is that the ion factor of the sugar is 1 and the one of the NaCl we can say is 2. So let us read the options. Both solutions have the same vapor pressure. No, of course NaCl lowers the vapor pressure more than the sugar. Solution A, which is the non-electrolyte, would boil at a higher temperature than solution B. No, it's just the opposite because B has twice boiling point as the A. Solution A would freeze at a higher temperature than the solution B. Yes, because solution B has twice lowered freezing point than solution A. So solution A has a higher freezing point than solution B. So C is the correct answer for this question. Let us solve the question number 6. Here sorry guys, number 6 is based on a table, guys. Here the number 6 based on a table. Let us solve it according to the table. The table we have X, Y and Z. the x's freezing point, the amounts are equal, guys, so there is no difference in the amount. The only difference is the freezing point of x is minus 5.58, y is minus 1.86, z is minus 3.72. Let us check which of the following statement is not true. The first said all three solutions are non-electrolyte. This is incorrect, guys. If they are all non-electrolyte, they must have the same freezing point as the Y. Have a look on Y, guys. Y, the molality is 1. So the delta TF is equal to delta TF is equal to the KF, which is minus 1.86. Multiply the ion factor is 1. Multiply the molality is 1. So the delta TF of Y is minus 1.86, which is sugar. How do we know? Because sugar can be sugar or alcohol, because its ion factor is 1. How about the X, guys? Minus 1.86 must be multiplied by which number to get the minus 5.58? Of course, 3. So the X must be an electrolyte solution with the ion factor of 3, and the Z minus 3.72 minus 1.86 must be multiplied by 2, the ion factor, to get the minus 3.72. So Z is an electrolyte with the ion factor of 2. So in B, so A is the correct answer for this question, guys. B stated that solute X could be CaNO3 by 2. Yes, X, we said it has got 3 ion factors, so as you can see it is 3 ion factors. Solute B could be sucrose. Yes, it's correct. Why? Because correct, but for this question is wrong, because it said it's not true. Because we said Y has is non-electrolyte, can be sugar or alcohol. Solid Z could be KCl. KCl has got 2 ion factors, so we said Z has got 2 ion factor of 2. Yes, possible, and the A is the correct answer for this question. The last question in the standardized test prep is which of the following described in the table would have the highest boiling point, guys? The highest boiling point must have the what? The one must be the one that the solution we have described the freezing point is the compare it to the boiling point. So the boiling point is that one which result is the highest factor. So let us talk about the options. A, the solution of the X. B, solution of Y. C, solution of Z. All three solutions would have the same boiling point. So guys, the freezing point minus 1.86, then minus 3.72, then minus 5.58. The one that has a lowest freezing point has the highest boiling point. So the minus 5.51 is for what? For the X. So A is the correct answer, and X has the highest boiling point among these three solutions. Thank you for the attention, guys, and good luck for the coming exams.